Hey guys, welcome back to Review Pals. I'm your host, Alexandria. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be looking at a super cool product that I think is so innovative, and I honestly had no idea these were on the market, but I'm really excited about it because I would use this all the time. This is a smart heated insole from Dr.warm. They're insoles that you put in your shoes that warm up. So very cool. This is great for all of you hunters out there. Maybe you're a hiker, fisherman, anyone that does any kind of outdoor activities in the winter that you want to combat that winter frostbite feeling on your toes. So this is what they look like when you pull them out. Super colorful. They've got this on the bottom. We have our charging cord as well as our box here. I did already pull this out of the box once because I wanted to make sure that the insoles were fully charged before we showed the product so you guys could see exactly how cool the product is and everything that it does. So when you pull everything out, this is it. You have your insoles, your cord, your box, and your user manual. This user manual is going to be super important for you because there's tons of different features and really interesting aspects about the insoles that you are going to need to know about. The number one super cool thing about this is that these insoles actually go with an app that you can download onto any smartphone. They have it for Android as well as iOS. So no matter what kind of smartphone you have, this is compatible with that. So there's different instructions on how to use the insoles, how to charge them. There is great information on how to download the app, what the app does, and we're going to get a little bit more in depth with the app in a little bit. So just looking at the product. Oh, and here is on the back, which is really cool. It makes it a little easier to find the app. There's QR codes. You can scan them and get your app and get it all matched together, and then you'd be on your way. So first, you're going to download the corresponding app on your mobile phone. Then you're going to turn on the app and you're just going to kind of click through and you will kind of see a couple different questions that you're going to answer. So we'll go over that together. But for right now, I will show you how we're actually going to plug in the insoles to charge them. So if you see on the side here, there's this little flap here that you can just pull on back. It exposes a button as well as your charging port. So you just stick them in there. Your cord does have two connected to one box, so you're not going to have two different chargers for two insoles. There is that. We're going to go ahead and actually plug the insoles in themselves so you can see what it looks like. So this is what they look like all plugged in. They are lit up red right now, but if I were to push that little button in, we can see that it does turn blue when you push it in. So you know that since it's lit up blue, you know they're fully charged and you're ready to go. So we'll unplug these since they are fully charged. And we will move on to the app. So once you download the app, here is the app right here. It has popped up. This is Dr.warm. We're just going to click that. This is the first screen it comes to. So you can see these little dials here. That is how you move the temperature up and down. If you click on this, these insoles actually also can count your steps, show what kind of distance you have gone, as well as GPS the location, as well as count calories that you've burned. And then over in settings, you're just going to go through all these questions and register. I would rather do Fahrenheit. We'll do my height. Obviously, this isn't the weight or the height or anything. I'm just kind of putting in different things. And you hit register. Register success. Okay. If you want to clear it out and restart it, you can clear that out. Delete all. And then you're back at square one here. So now that they're on and we've got it all set up, they are already starting to heat up. You can already start to feel them. We'll go ahead and remove these cords and set it to the side. You can definitely tell that they are starting to warm up. Oh, wow. So over time, these will get hotter and hotter. You can kind of feel. Also, what's really cool is this actually really soft on this side, so it's not going to be irritating. It's going to be really soft and comfortable underneath your feet. Another great feature about this is that when you are done, maybe in the summertime, you know you're not going to be using your heated insoles for a few months, you can just put them back in their box along with the cord. And you are ready to go ahead and store it for the summer and spring.